Ford releases fully electric sub 50K Explorer SUV, but it's in the wrong market. What? Ford finally took the sheets off its new midsize electric SUV, a tribute to the automaker's best-selling Explorer. I've actually had a couple people bring this up to me, say they're excited for this. The American automaker had a big year in 2022, selling just under 62,000 EVs. However, Ford is looking to carry its success overseas. Ford partnered with Volkswagen in 2020 to use the German automaker's modular electric drive Matrix electric vehicle platform with plans to launch 2 fully electric vehicles and help expand its position in Europe. They keep cutting these deals, Will.
Yeah.
So that they can get there faster. I don't like the look of this.
You don't like it?
No.
Oh. Okay.
You?
I like the front of it.
I don't know if I do. I don't think I do.
Okay.
Maybe the back
Is it the color?
maybe the back is okay. I hate the color. Maybe that's killing me.
The wheels, maybe?
It's probably the color, the wheels.
I don't mind the front.
I need the Explorer ST version of it. Okay, side profile, I don't mind.
Okay.
This is okay. I guess I don't like the front of it.
You don't like the front?
I guess
okay.
not. I guess that's what it is. It maybe dips too hard in the center. Anyway, whatever. It's preference. Look at the big display,
nice.
big portrait display in there. A lot of people are going to want one of these. You know how it is.
Yeah.
You see the ambient lighting over there?
Explorer is a pretty name brand. I think a lot of people have Explorer.
The cops have a ton of Explorers. Imagine if the cops go for EV.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably a long time coming because they got all the same problems.
It's got like a giant display in the center. Kind of like the old Tesla. The P100D or something.
Yeah, well, they already have the portrait display in their other, like, Mustang, Mach-E.
Right.
They're kind of committed to this portrait.
This one doesn't have the knob either. Like the Mustang.
So I suppose the problem here is the fact that it is looking like it's getting released in Europe prior to being released here, which is really weird.
Yeah.
For an American car company. It looks better in motion, too. The new 5-seat family SUV combines American design with top-notch German engineering, resulting in a futuristic, stylish, mid-size crossover. There won't be a 7-seater offered, at least initially, in what would appear to be a missed opportunity. Ford says the new electric SUV is fully equipped for family road trips with a supersized movable touchscreen and 470 liters of storage. And advanced driver assistant technology, probably got your autonomous stuff going on. But it's going to go to Europe first. What part of Europe does it say? Does it say across Europe? 2 different trims. Explorer steeped in our American roots, but built in Cologne, which is in Germany, for customers in Europe. Okay. Well, I think it's still probably a good sign for North Americans because they're probably going to get it sometime soon.